Hocking County, Southern Hardin County, Northwestern Union County.
Barely got that one.
8 p.m.
Wait, Joe, did you shut your door?
7:13 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Bell Center, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
Bro did not activate.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain,
Bell Fountain,
West Mansfield, Northwood, Mount Victory, Rushsylvania, Huntsville, Ridgeway, New Jerusalem, Hialeah, Broadway, Summersville, Big Springs, Essex,
Big Springs.
and Raymond.
Where did that come from? I just closed my camera. As that, I was like, oh, nothing's coming. I closed my camera.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Champaign County.
What is this? A double header, maybe?
Until 8:15 p.m.
Where did my battery cover? There it is.
26 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near West Liberty, moving east at 30 miles an
It's
hour.
just severe thunderstorm. Okay.
60 miles an hour wind gusts.
We're not gonna get a double header.
Source, radar indicated.
I haven't gotten a double header in forever.
Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, Urbana, West Liberty, North Lewisburg, McGrath, West Mansfield, Milford Center, Woodstock, Valley High, Zanesfield, Cable, Raymond, New Jerusalem, Pickrelltown, Lippincott, Middleburg, Spring Hills, Mingo, Pottersburg, and Kenmore.
I heard a boop boop boop.
I think so.
Hey, baby. Hi, buddy.
A severe
They're coming out of nowhere.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, western Champaign County, northeastern Miami County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piqua, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
Where's? Oh.
Locations impacted include Sydney, Piqua, St. Paris, Fletcher, Lockington, Thackeray, Rosewood, Newbern, Carysville, Ballou, Plattsville, Spring Hills, Kaiser Lake State Park,
Kaiser Lake State Park,
Terry Hood, and Farrington. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 79 and 90.
There it is.
Ohio, Delaware County, northeastern Madison County, Union County, Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Mansfield, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Wait, are they just now activating?
Source, radar indicated.
They deactivated for some reason.
Impact.
That's weird.
Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Delaware, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, Marysville, Worthington, Powell, Sunbury, Plain City, Ridgewood, New California, Polaris, Radnor, Milford Center, Shawnee Hills, Ostrander, Riverleaf, Magnetic Springs, and Unionville Center. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 123 and 134.
I guess maybe they just did that to activate people's receivers.
Now here's the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight,
That was so weird. Like, they were already activated, so I don't know why they did that again.
Yeah. Let's go. Wait, is that an alert?
No.
It is.
Yeah, it is. It is. Oh, I hear him.
Madison, Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern
jeez.
Champaign County, southeastern Logan County, southwestern Union County, Ohio, until 8:30 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over North Lewisburg, moving east at 25 miles an hour.
I thought I heard the AR sound.
Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh boy.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marysville, North Lewisburg, Milford Center, Woodstock, Unionville Center, Cable, Mingo, Hattiesburg, and Kennard. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now here is the official
Who is
national...
it? Okay, SVR. I called it!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Delaware County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Delaware State Park, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Are you sure that's not damage?
Locations impacted include Ashley, Radnor, Delaware State Park, Leonardsburg, Olive Green, State Route 229 at U.S. Route 23 in Kilbourne. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 135 and 138.
Did I what?
Did you hear thunder just there?
Maybe.
We should have saw that!
Southeastern Marion County,
It was almost a
Marshall
doubleheader.
County,
Yeah.
Knox County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ashley, or 9 miles north of Delaware, moving east at 50 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Cardington, Centerburg, Ashley, Danville, Waldo, Chesterville,
Waldo.
Sparta,
Where's Waldo?
Edison, Baringo, Fulton, Martinsburg, Gann, and Bladensburg.
Come on. Nah.
Now here is the official national...
Holy crap!
Central Champaign County, northern Franklin County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County, southern Union County, Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marysville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Marysville, Worthington, Bexley, Plain City, West Jefferson, Mechanicsburg, Minerva Park, New California, The Ohio State University, Easton, Lake Darby, Whitehall, New Albany, and Grandview Heights.
Grandview
This
Heights.
includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 85 and 107. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 120. Now here's the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Delaware County, northwestern Hocking County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunbury, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts.
So
Source,
close!
radar indicated.
Dude!
Impact,
Aw,
expected
dude!
tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Aw, dude!
Locations impacted include Westerville, Delaware, Granville, Powell, Johnstown, Sunbury,
Oh, two.
Utica,
Okay. Only two
Grandville,
events.
Powell, Polaris, Galena, Alexandria, Hartford,
Are we gonna get-
Interstate 71 at US Route 36/State Route 37, Allen Creek State Park, Fredonia, US Route 62 at State Route
Never heard of Fredonia.
61, Olive Green, Center Village, Kilbourne, and Lewis Center.
Green.
This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 122 and 138. Storm capable of
There it is!
tornado was located near Orville.
Huh?
Hold on, we got a TOR.
25 miles per hour.
Here.
Southwest hazard, tornado. Source, radar. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Massillon, Orville, Brewster, Nymar, Dalton, North Lawrence, and Perry Heights. Then partly cloudy with a strong chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower
There we go. Yeah, Fairfield, Franklin, and Union.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County,
Yeah, that's us.
southwestern
I think
County until 9:30 p.m.
Yeah, I don't think you should go drive at this point.
8:48
Probably
p.m.
not.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Easton, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power.
They better severe warn that thing done by Wilmington soon.
Impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Tickerington,
Gahanna.
Bedford, Heath, Granville, Pontascala,
Pontascala.
Buckeye Lake,
I love how it says
Minerva Park, Millersport, the Ohio State University, Beechwood Trail, Easton, Summit Station.
I love the way it pronounces Pataskala.
This includes the following.
I love the way it pronounces Pataskala. Pontascala.
107 and 129. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 110 and 114.
It's less than 15 minutes to our house.
Do you want to go?
Yeah, I think we're gonna, because it is getting late.
Alright, that's fine.
The official lows around 60. Northwest wind. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, and Clinton.
Us.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I'm glad I left my camera on while I was in the bathroom.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in
SVR.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County,
Oh.
southeastern Greene County.
They did warn that one.
9:45 p.m. At 8:58
I had a feeling they would.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmington, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
You know what?
Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, Sabina, New Vienna, Jeffersonville, Stunton, Clarksville, Bowersville, Port William, Milledge,
Hi.
Octa, Paintersville,
I'm fine.
Melvin, Rosemore, Lumberton, Oakland, Lees Creek, Morrisville, Ogden, and Kingman. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 72.
Lightning could strike here any second, so I don't want to be out here too long. Wow. I'm heading back inside now. I don't feel safe. I'm trying to play game.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County, northeastern Highland County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sabina, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Greenfield, Sabina, Leesburg, New Vienna, Stunton, Highland, Melvin, East Monroe, New Antioch, Jasper Mills, Lees Creek, Reesville, Rock Mills, and New Martinsburg.
Oh, that went off finally. Oh, doubleheader! Yes! Yes! Yes!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Clark County, western Greene County, Montgomery County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Englewood, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood,
that's-
Miamisburg, Vandalia,
That's scary.
Bellbrook, Maureen, Oakwood.
That reminds me of a
Yellow Springs,
specific
Wright
thing.
Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Cedarville, Enon, Wilberforce, and Riverside. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 19 and 45. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 44 and 63.
Oh, triple header! Triple yes! Oh my god, triple header!
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County, northwestern Morgan County, north central Athens County, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Reynoldsburg, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Lights.
Locations impacted include New Lexington, Somerset, Shawnee, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, Thornville, Junction City, New Straitsville, Corning, Glenford, Hemlock, and Renville. A severe thunderstorm.
Oh, another one?
The National Weather Service 9:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Reynoldsburg, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Severe
Impact,
storm.
expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
That used to be severe warned.
Locations impacted include New Lexington, Somerset, Shawnee, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, Thornville, Junction City, New Straitsville, Corning, Glenford, Hemlock, and Renville.
Another one! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, east central Clinton County, northeastern Highland County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Vienna, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations
Southside right now.
include Greenfield,
3 quick cloud to ground lightning. This needs to be severe warning.
Highland, Lees Creek, East Monroe.
I can't stay outside any longer. I'll get struck by lightning.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
What is it? SVR.
Central Fairfield County, northwestern Hocking County, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lancaster, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
They finally severe warned.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Okay.
Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Logan, Baltimore, Bremen, Pleasantville, Hideaway Hills, Sugar Grove, Rushville, West Rushville, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, Hideaway Hills, Clearport, North Bern, Enterprise, Rockbridge, and Dumontville.
We're just about to start recording.
Central Fayette County, Ohio, east central Clinton County, northeastern Highland County, until 1:30 a.m. At 10:51 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain and extending from Lees Creek to Leesburg through much of the Rattlesnake Creek drainage. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Greenfield, Leesburg, Highland, East Monroe, New Martinsburg, Lees Creek, and Pink Creek State Park. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Oh my god! I missed 4 alerts already.
6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near North Lewisburg, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Mingo, Cable, and Kennard.
It's a short one. There are absolute rapid fire.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Clark County, West Central Madison County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include London, Brighton, South Vienna, Plattsburgh, and Interstate 70 at State Route 56. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 66 and 75.
I cannot catch a breath. Actually, yeah, I can.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Fairfield County, Southwestern Licking County, until 8 p.m. At 7:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pawhuska, moving east at 10
near
miles
me.
an hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail.
Whoa!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Beechwood Trail, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, Fairfield Beach, Thornport, Etna, Kirkersville, Interstate 70 at State Route 37 and Interstate 70 at State Route 13. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 117 and 135. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clark County, central Madison County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include London, South Charleston, Lisbon, Brighton, South Vienna, Newport, and Plattsburgh. This includes I-70 in Ohio near mile marker 67. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, south central Delaware County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Westerville, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Gahanna, Worthington, Minerva Park, Polaris, Easton, New Albany, and Huber Ridge. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 118 and 125. Here is a The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, southwestern Delaware County, northeastern Madison County, southeastern Union County, Ohio, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dublin, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, Worthington, Powell, Plain City, New California, Shawnee Hills, Riverlea, Amity, U.S. Route 33 and U.S. Route 42, Clintonville and Columbus too. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 113 and 117. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm. Southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gahanna, moving south at 10 miles an hour.
Southwestern Franklin County?
Quarter-size hail. Source, public. Impact, minor damage.
Okay, this is a weird SVR.
Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Bexley, Groveport, The Ohio State University, Whitehall, Obetz, Bryce, Port Columbus Airport, and Blacklick Estates.
That is not Southwest Fairfield County.
I-70 in
Hey,
Ohio
Franklin
between
County.
mile markers 101 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 108 and 112.
That is not Southwestern Franklin County.